The Rambler RV tow bar from CURT is great for confidently towing any vehicle behind your RV. The Rambler tow bar has patent-pending, non-binding latches for an easy release on uneven ground. A pretty neat feature about this tow bar is the hands-free automatic locking mechanism, so you're ready to tow without all the hassle. The Rambler is made from high-strength steel and topped with a textured black finish, so it's ready for whatever adventure you might throw at it. It also has fully sealed rubber sleeves to help keep out dirt and debris. It works with a 2-inch receiver and can tow vehicles up to 7,500 pounds. The extended arm length helps with extra hookup radius and clearance. The active slide resistance also helps give extra control when extending the arms. The Rambler tow bar from CURT has 3 stowing positions for maximum versatility. It's also compatible with CURT or Blue Ox base plates. The Rambler RV tow bar from CURT has a limited lifetime warranty.